Hello everyone, Namaskar. Welcome back to physics class. I am Hemant Shukla and in this video I am going to discuss about matter waves. फोटोइलेक्ट्रिक इफ़ेक्ट में हमने ये देखा कि उसको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए हमें मानना पड़ा कि जो रेडिएशन है या लाइट एनर्जी है ये पार्टिकल नेचर शो करती है. सो एज रेडिएशन एग्जिबिट्स वेव नेचर and particle nature means dual nature. Similarly, matter should exhibit particle as well as wave nature. This was suggested by de Broglie. According to de Broglie, since nature loves symmetry, जो प्रकृति है उसमें हम देखें उसमें सिमिट्री है. अगर आप किसी पेड़ की पत्ती को देखें, किसी ट्री की लीव्स को देखें तो वो लीव्स क्या है, उसमें सिमिट्री होती है. लेफ़्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड में आप देखें उसमें क्या है, सिमिट्री है, सममिति है. तो प्रकृति में सिमिट्री है, सममिति है. इसलिए डी ब्रॉगली ने ये सोचा कि अगर रेडिएशन पार्टिकल की तरह बिहेव करता है तो मैटर को भी वेव की तरह बिहेव करना चाहिए. वी नो दैट momentum of a photon of wavelength lambda is given by p is equal to h upon lambda, where h is Planck's constant. So lambda is equal to h upon p. Now if a particle of mass m is moving with the speed v, then its momentum p is equal to m into v. De Broglie wavelength associated with it, lambda is equal to h upon p or lambda is equal to h upon mv. This matter wave or de Broglie wavelength is associated with a moving particle whether charged or uncharged. जो पार्टिकल है वो चार्ज्ड है या अनचार्ज्ड है, डी ब्रॉगली वेव उसके साथ एसोसिएट होगी अगर पार्टिकल चल रहा है, मूव कर रहा है. इफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ ए पार्टिकल of mass m moving with velocity v is k, then we know that k is equal to half mv square. Therefore v is equal to under root 2k by m. Now substitute this value of v in this formula. Lambda is equal to h upon mv. So lambda is equal to h upon m into under root 2k by m. This is equal to h upon under root 2 mk. Now if a particle has charge also, then it can be accelerated with the help of electric field. If a charged particle is accelerated through a potential difference V, then kinetic energy gained by the particle k is equal to q into v. So in place of k here, substitute qv. So lambda is equal to h upon under root 2 m qv. If an electron is accelerated through a potential difference V, then k is equal to small e into capital V, where E is charge on the electron. Hence lambda is equal to h upon under root 2 m ev. Now for electron, E is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and mass of electron m is equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Value of Planck's constant h is equal to 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. Substitute these values in this formula. So on solving it, we get lambda is equal to 1.22 into 10 to the power minus 9 upon root v meter, or 1.22 upon root v nanometer, or 12.2 upon root v angstrom. So this is formula to calculate de Broglie wavelength if an electron is accelerated through a potential difference of v. Thanks. Have a nice day.